Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Emjay Capcut template. This template is a new trending reel template. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your Capcut app and then tap on template at the bottom. And then right here on template section, you'll see the search bar. Just search for Emjay Capcut template, EMJAY. And then after that, just tap on enter. And here you'll see the different video template that you can use. You can use any of this. For example, for me, I want to use this one. So what I'm going to do is just to tap on this video. Now just tap on use template. After that, we need to choose photo or videos that we want to use for this template. For example, for me, I want to use this picture. And then, you can preview the picture and how it will look like on your post. And now, if you're satisfied with your video, just tap on export to save the video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.